Where's Mother Nature? I'm not here.
Oh, yes, you are. You can't fool Mother Nature. Mr. Woodpecker, our report shows you are 550,000 pecks behind even the laziest woodpecker. You are being demoted to a pigeon.
But I'm a woodpecker.
Not anymore. Now you're a pigeon.
No! I am a woodpecker! You can't do this to me. Please, Mother Nature. I gotta be promoted back to woodpecker.
Do a good job as a pigeon, and you will be eligible for a review in no time.
All right, let's get this show on the road. Where are the drinks and sandwiches?
Mother Nature told me to expect you. Sit down! We pigeons have been having a problem regarding our coverage. As you can see, statues are down by 23%. Our coverage on cars has maintained a constant increase, but there is always room for improvement. Now let's get going! Oh, I see. First day and you're already slacking, huh, smart guy? Now you shake your tail feathers or I'll see you never get a promotion back to woodpecker. Now get busy on those statues. I knew you were a slacker from the word wood. How do you expect to cover your area now?
All done, sir.
That's impossible.
Coverage complete, sir.
But you, how did you... that has got to be a pigeon record. You're up to something, and when I find out what it is, I will see you demoted to dodo bird. Okay, pigeons. Starting today, the company is bringing back an old pigeon standby. We're mounting a carrier pigeon squadron once more. But this time, no more little messages tied to the leg. This is the era of pigeon delivery.
Well, guess I better get going. Can't talk now. There's work to be done and no time for fun. To New York, to Detroit, to Cleveland, to Seattle, to Bora Bora. Bora Bora? Oh, Bora Bora! Well, I finished my deliveries. Might as well enjoy some of that off time at the beach.
Yeah, excellent. We'll have this business licked in no time. Where is that good-for-nothing woodpecker? I have you now. You are busted now, mister. What is this?
Well, sir, I did forget to deliver one package. It was returned to sender.
Oh, you Nimrod! This was just across town. Follow me, and I'll show you how a real pigeon delivers. It sure is heavy.
What took you so long, Mac?
You're up to something, Woodpecker. And mark my words, I will bust you if it's the last thing I ever do as a pigeon. Apparently, we have some competition from these guys, swallows. They're moving in on our crumb-gathering territory. Let's show these swallows what it means to be a pigeon.
Hurry, hurry, step right up, step right up. Free one-way tickets to San Juan Capistrano. Step right up, free tickets for any bona fide swallows. Move along, no shoving. There's enough seats for everyone.
Annual group trip?
Yeah, why don't we do it? Let's do it now.
What's your trick, Woody?
Oh, just a crummy little idea. Get it? Crummy.
Well, Woody, you've excelled in every job you were given. I see no reason why I shouldn't promote you back to Woodpecker.
Oh, joy. Oh, boy. I love my beak. I can't wait to start pecking again.
I knew he'd turn out fine.
Mother Nature, I've got it! I've got photos. Woody's been scamming us the whole time.
Oh, but I've already promoted him.
Yeah, oh, well, you've got to do something. Yeah, I know. Turn him into a newt, a stink bug. How about an amoeba?
No, I've got a better idea.
This is the life. It's good to be a woodpecker again. Mother Nature! Why, what a pleasant surprise. I was just about to get to work. I've got a lot of trees to peck.
Just a second. Listen, Woody, you did so well in the pigeon training squad that I've decided to promote you again.
Woo-wee! Another promotion. To what? Hawk? Eagle? You're bringing back the pterodactyl.
Congratulations! You are now in charge of training all woodpeckers. And here's your first student now.
Hey, Woodpecker, I'm here for 6 months of training, and I want to get every second of it on tape.
Mother Nature, wait a second. Wait. Don't leave me like this. No.
Check this out. Fox Kids will be right back.
There are no piranhas in...
On June 18th,
We got a tiny little itsy-bitsy problem here.
Walt Disney Pictures presents
No, not again!
a great summer smash. Disney's Tarzan, in theaters June 18th. Hang on tight. Rated G.
That one hurt him.
Airheads, they're out of control.
Prepare for landing on runway C.
Nothing beats the full throttle taste of high C with vitamin C and delicious fruit flavor.
Get one, clear for takeoff.
High C, full throttle taste.
4 vintage villains are poised to attack the Power Rangers. Maniac Mechanic, Torch Tiger.
I'm fired up now!
Strike Out.
I just love this game!
And Mad Mike the Pizza Chef.
I'm on the spicy one!
Catch Turbo Monster Theater. A special week of Power Rangers Turbo starts Tuesday afternoon only on Fox Kids. Attention, spy dogs. Dog Zero here reminding you to be strong.
I can't take it anymore!
We all know it's a thankless job protecting humans from public embarrassment.
When he has the stinkies, he always blames me!
Any questions?
The answer is always The Secret Files of the Spy Dogs, coming up in just a few minutes only on Fox Kids.
We're back with more Fox Kids. Now that's something you don't learn in school. Coming up next, it's the most barked about show ever to explore the secret lives of the canine world. Catch the Spy Dogs coming up in just a few shakes, only on Fox Kids.
The Addams Family. They're the perfect neighbors. They're hospitable.
If you need anything else, just scream.
They're charming.
If you got it, flaunt it.
And they are oh so hip. Why not drop in and meet them for yourself?
The new Addams Family, weekday afternoons only on Fox Kids.
Hi, Sebastian. Did you miss me? Come on, let's play.
letting us play?
Behold, the dog. We know him as man's best friend. But what do we really know? In truth, all dogs belong to a secret organization dedicated to keeping mankind safe from really bad stuff. These are their amazing true stories. These are the secret files of the Spy Dogs.
Fox Kids will be right back. Hey, do you need a license for that thing?
The galaxy's most legendary heroes, fearsome villains, and coolest vehicles. Now available to take home and play with at Pizza Hut, KFC, and Taco Bell. Right now, at participating Taco Bell locations, you can get one of these cool Star Wars Episode 1 collectible toys. One in every Taco Bell kids meal you buy.
L'Oreal Kids!
Tropical Punch, please.
New burst of Tropical Punch shampoo.
Say goodbye to tears. L'Oreal Kids!
No nasty knots.
L'Oreal Kids!
Shiny hair.
New formula for super neat hair. New L'Oreal Kids burst of Tropical Punch shampoo.
Because we're worth it too!
Fred, look! A meteor! Heading for the cinnamon bakery! Cinnamon sweet! Big, crunchy pieces, too! I'll call it Hoop Cinnacrunch Pebble Cereal. Part of this good breakfast. Sensational!
You scream! Ice cream! We all scream! For ice cream cone marshmallows! Now for a limited time in post-marshmallow alphabet cereal. Part of this good breakfast.
They're ice cream-alicious! Fox Kids wants you for a Power Rangers Magna mission. Enter the Fox Kids Defend the Galaxy sweepstakes. Win, and you'll pedal away on a one-of-a-kind, life-size Magna Defender Astro Cycle. Plus, win a huge amount of Power Rangers Lost Galaxy toys. 1,000 others win a Talking Galaxy Magna Defender action figure. To enter, watch Fox Kids for the 3 Magna clues. Write them down with your name and address and get them to Fox Kids Defend the Galaxy, P.O. Box 4030, Beverly Hills 90213 by June 11th. Your Magna clue number 2 is Magna Blaster.
Welcome to the Addams Family. What a crew, the Addams Family.
Weekday afternoons, the new Addams Family on Fox Kids.
Welcome back to Fox Kids. Hey, the half pipe is that way.
You know, dear, you forgot your lunch this morning.
That's all right, Mum. I picked up something at school today.
Get me Dog Zero. It's an emergency.
I adore the days when my human she is not around. Then I can pursue my true love, the cooking. Mouah! C'est magnifique! C'est si bon! C'est what? Soup du jour, le dog mystère.
Agent Noodle, Dog Zero here. This reception sounds terrible.
Excusez-moi. Let me switch phones.
Oh, that's better. I never could figure out how to use one of those things. Agent Noodle, there's a serious problem in Smalton. Children are turning into space slugs.
Zut alors! I am aghast.
We don't know how, but the space slugs are tampering with the children's food.
Perfect. If there is one thing this noodle knows, it is the fine cuisine.
Excuse me, Miss Lunch Lady, but a rat just ate some of my food, and it curled up and went to sleep, and it's sleeping really, really good.
Here, young human. Pretty green gelatin as replacement having.
Green gelatin? My favorite! Can I have some of that green junk, too?
That work perfectly.
Beat it! Hamstring! Hey, pal, occupado.
Oh, sorry, man.
Man, it's happening all over the place.
Oui, quel tragique! Crème brûlée! There is something terribly wrong with the schools.
Yeah, you're telling me.
No, no, no. The slugs to space have invaded the schools.
All right, let's go. Ralph to base. We're inside. Oh, and could you please tell Angus that Tweedledee and Tweedledum aren't the best idea for deep cover?
Oh, no, they tell me.
They are mutating the children with this food disgustement.
No, that's normal cafeteria food. Except for this.
That? It almost looks palatable.
Exactly. Yep, the space slug change-o enzyme is in the gelatin.
Now, we must make the green gelatin taste bad enough so that the children do not like it. Perhaps you had better make the gelatin, Ralph. I cannot help it. Everything that I make tastes too good. I have the mad skills.
Now, how can we destroy the allure of green gelatin? What won't kids eat?
Maybe you should try the essence of sweat socks, or the chewed gum from under desktops, or perhaps the toenail clippings, the nose gravy, the armpit glaze, and what about that gooey effluvium from in between braces?
No, not nearly gross enough. What we need is little bits of carrots and celery. Quick, hide!
Ooh, looky. All work being done already. Me not be remembering doing work being done already. Maybe gelatin fairies be doing it. Gelatin fairies, yeah.
Intriguing bouquet, fanciful texture, a delicate finish.
Yeah, I'd like it, except what is up with the carrots and celery? Ugh! Ugh!
They not be gelatin liking. They not turn into pretty space slugs if they not eat. Bye, dogs! Them get!
No! Not the soufflé! Not the soufflé! The barrières.
Hello? Is this the principal? I am the concerned parent. I believe the funny goings-on are going on in the cafeteria.
Well, I appreciate your concern. By the way, who is this? What is going on?
The lunch lady started it!
You two are fired. Let's go.
Zide, she is saved!
Yeah, but there are still a lot of space slug kids out there. We have to change them back. We have the antidote, but how to make the kids take it?
Leave that to me. I will prepare the dish most fancy for the young palates. Fini! Sautéed snail's bottoms, the fried flying fish eggs, raw oysters, les sprout de Brussels, the liver et lima beans, and the ever-popular raw squid.
That's is up with all this fancy schmancy cuisine? Yuck!
Yeah. Oh, gosh.
Gosh? I will show him gosh. I will give him the ghost sandwich right in the face!
Take it easy, cowboy. I think you're missing the point.
I give up. I've used everything in this kitchen. There is nothing left to feed these cretins.
There's these.
The tube de steak. Le cylinder de ointment. Hot dogs? How grotesque. It will never work. Well, somehow they like your food. But how will you give them the antidote, Mr. Big Pants?
Easy. What's a hot dog without ketchup?
Hey, do I detect extra pig's tail in this? It's wonderful.
Yes. And the snout adds a certain je ne sais quoi.
C'est magnifique!
The ketchup. It had to be the ketchup.
We stopped the space slugs here, but how many more schools are they in? They could be anywhere.
All dogs will have to be on the alert.
That's right, Spy Dogs. The space slugs could be anywhere. The dangerous space slug enzyme could be in the crusted tapioca or in the mystery meat hamburger. Only you can stop them. Look to the trays, Spy Dogs. Look to the trays.
Fox Kids will be right back. And hopefully, so will my dog.
It's an hour of magic starting with me, the magician.
And me putting the rap on magical thugs.
And you'd call it Illusion Fusion Week. A tap of the wand, some card tricks, and ta-da!
Cheater!
Crooks turn into crybabies.
I'd prefer they do a disappearing act. All week I deal with crooks who are masters of illusion. Stopping them's a real trick. Catch our act. It's crime-fighting magic. First the magician, then me, Spider-Man. Starting Monday afternoon on Fox Kids Illusion Fusion Week.
The Addams Family. They're the perfect neighbors. They're hospitable.
If you need anything else, just scream.
They're charming.
If you got it, flaunt it.
And they are oh so hip. Why not drop in and meet them for yourself?
The new Addams Family. Weekday afternoons only on Fox Kids.
The wild. Wet. Hurricane Harbor. 2 million gallons of water adventure. Vast islands and lagoons. Lost Temple Rapids. The Forgotten Sea. And 22 slides. Hurricane Harbor. The wild wet.
Pay $16 on Hurricane Harbor admission with a coupon from participating Subway restaurants.
Is your room clean? We'll go to Chuck E. Cheese's.
Chuck E. Cheese's, the real cool place to be a kid. What did you do to deserve it?
Kid don't mess around.
Ooh, they're after me Lucky Charms. But I wonder, can you name me marshmallow shapes?
Sure, hearts, stars, horseshoes, clovers, and blue moons.
Aye, hearts, stars, and horseshoes, clovers, and blue moons.
Pots of golden rainbows, and the red balloons.
Lucky Charms, the part of this good breakfast with 8 magical marshmallows.
They can name them, can you?
Lucky's gone to new heights to make his newest marshmallow.
They're me new Man in the Moon marshmallows. Yours for a limited time, now in Lucky Charms.
This weekend, Nuts wants you to have a blast. Kids 3 to 11 get a free T-shirt and a free Snoopy ice cream bar. Go wild on the new Ghost Rider. Have a blast on Supreme Scream. And remember, kids get a free T-shirt and a Snoopy ice cream. SoCal kids, always $13 at Nuts. And right now, when you purchase tickets at Ralph's, a family can save up to $64. Don't miss Nuts' extremely cool weekend blast.
Here, boy. Welcome back to Fox Kids.
Oh, thanks. That's nice.
Sunday, Sunday, Sunday! It's the thrills, chills, and spills of the Iditarod! Hey, all you dog sled fans, catch the monster sled as it smashes, crashes, and bashes its way across 5 snowmobiles! And don't miss the 6-story tall, fire-breathing mega penguin! It takes no prisoners. Mega, mega, mega!
Isn't this great? Up here in the great white north, I feel so manly. Ow! Now that's gonna chap.
Oh, yeah, manly.
And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, the power, power, power of dog sled racing, racing, racing! The Iditarod!
Ah, the Iditarod. I never miss it. Yep, there's Chuck-Chi. He's the odds-on favorite. Man, that is one ugly mush. Wait a minute. This doesn't smell right. Catastrophe! On a sled full of cats. I've got to warn the others.
What the heck is going on?
It's catastrophe! After him, Chuck-Chi! Mush, Chuck-Chi, mush! We've got to stop him!
Mush! Mush, you imbeciles!
Give it up, catastrophe! I don't know what you're trying to prove.
Prove? I will tell you exactly what I am trying to prove. Mush! By beating you dogs at your own game, mush! I will prove what I've known all along, mush some more! Cats are superior animals! And I will finally gain my revenge for what your kind did to my tail! My beautiful tail! Mush!
Are you still harping about that tail thing?
I shall never forget it! It happened many years ago. Make the screen go all wiggly. 2 of your pathetic and cruel species were chasing me. For no reason, I'm sure. I have no egress but to run into the rocking chair testing facility. No, don't go in there! 5,000 rocking chairs, Mr. Dog. And I assure you that they were all in perfect working order. You fools! Now I, Catastrophe, will win your precious idiot raw dog sled race and forever disgrace dog kind. You cannot stop me this time!
Maybe not, but we can beat you!
In your dreams, Mush Boy.
Ralph's Dog Zero! We're at the Iditarod and catastrophe!
I know, Ralph. Angus and Noodle are already on it. I don't have to tell you what the Iditarod means to all dogs everywhere. We can't let that felonious feline finish first, Ralph. Good luck and dog speed.
Man, we'll never catch him.
Don't worry, Ralph. This is the Mush 5. She got a few tricks of her own, eh? Hop on! You steer, Ralph. Oh, and, hang on.
Moles, fight the icicles.
Ah! Oh, oh, yikes! Oh no! Oh, look out! Ah! Oh,
Yeah! Locked and loaded. It's ready. And now, for a little shortcut.
tricks, Chuck-Chi. Now would be a good time.
Coming up, Ralph. Steer for those trees.
There won't be a cat left standing after I unleash this secret weapon.
Rocket boosters.
I believe this is the end of the line, Mr. Dog. No! No!
Get us out of here.
I don't care if the rockets are gone, then pull the sled. Pull, pull, pull!
Let's just get out of here.
Toss me the winch. I took Catastrophe's rockets out of the game, too. It's a foot race now. Good luck.
Hey, wait a minute. Who are you? You know, something about that mysterious dog smelled really familiar.
Come on, Ralph. We have to hurry.
Those dumb animals are as persistent as a bad case of ringworm. Mose, it is time for the final stroke. Nothing is going to stop me from having what I deserve. Now, moosh, moosh, moosh!
Use your claws, you idiots. Your claws!
Why me? Why?
Come on. We've got a race to win.
No. We can't just leave them to drown. That would lower us to their level. Or Angus's. Come on.
Thank you, Mr. Dog. And in return, allow me to show you how deeply moved I am by your selfless action. Moles, the tethers! Oh, have a nice day. See you at the finish. Oh, sorry, I guess I won't. Ciao! Moosh, you fools! Moosh!
We'll never pull the sled now.
Move it. We are almost there.
It took a bit of doing, but we created the perfect ball of yarn.
Why did it have to be yarn? You fools were so close to winning. No, no!
See, I told you there wouldn't be a cat left standing.
Even if we get to the finish line, we can't win without a human musher. We haven't even got a human-esque.
No. We have something even better. With all the excitement, I forgot we had him.
What's going on? Who turned out the lights?
You won! You won! You won! Congratulations on being the Iditarod champion! Winner, winner, winner!
I won? Oh, well, yeah, I won! Whoopee! That's just great!
How'd you do it? Oh, what's your secret?
Well, it was all a blur. Well, adrenaline, I guess. Yeah, manly adrenaline.
That was the best race ever.
You can say that again. But have you seen Scribble? I told him to stick around.
Fox Kids will be right back with more. Oh, nice save.
Ta-da! Old Navy tie-dye! I wear Old Navy tie-dye because it really fits me right. That color's like no others, and don't you worry, right? It's got colors like no others. Those who are alive. The boys' t-shirts, girls' tanks. Old Navy tie-dye.
Old Navy.
The galaxy's most legendary heroes, fearsome villains, and coolest vehicles. Now available to take home and play with at Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and KFC. Right now at participating KFC locations, you can get one of these cool Star Wars Episode 1 collectible toys inside every KFC kids meal you buy.
When kids crave the wildly fruity taste of Danimals yogurt, nothing can stop them.
Danimals to the rescue! All right.
Moving up.
Ready for liftoff? How cool am I?
Dan and Danimals has real fruit taste. You'll eat it up.
Fruity-licious! We did it! Same time tomorrow, guys?
We're in the Danimals kingdom. Kids rule.
Hey, party people! It's Sunday morning on Fox Family Channel.
Wow! That's great, little buddy.
You'll be blown away by the pure superhero intelligence.
It's just the two of us, villain.
The pure superhero strength.
Would you tie my shoelace for me?
And the pure superhero bravery.
Oh, stop it!
So watch as all your favorite Fox Family Channel superheroes leap into action. Join 3 friends and Jerry, and their 3 friends, and their 3 friends, and so on and so on. If you have cable or satellite, you get Fox Family.
In the Zone. Baseball trivia, tips, and terminology.
From the greatest names in the game.
Saturday.
12:30 Eastern and Pacific.
On Fox.
Attention all units, be on the lookout for a team of pranksters wanted for causing $17 trillion in unplanned renovations. Their leader, Woody Woodpecker. His accomplices, Winnie, redhead with an attitude, and Chilly Willy, troublemaking penguin. Suspects can be seen on the Woody Woodpecker Show, all new next Saturday morning at 10 on Fox Kids.
4 vintage villains are poised to attack the Power Rangers. Maniac Mechanic, Torch Tiger.
I'm fired up now.
Strikeout.
I just love this game.
And Mad Mike the Pizza Chef.
I'm on the spicy one.
Catch Turbo Monster Theater. A special week of Power Rangers Turbo starts Tuesday afternoon only on Fox Kids.
Fox Kids is back in the mix. Yeah, stoked.
What is this disgusting mess?
Yum.
Everyone knows dogs love chewing disgusting things. Let our Disgusting Thing of the Month Club deliver a disgusting thing for you to trot around the house with each and every month. January, an oxtail. February, a used coffee filter. March, an old sock. And when the holidays roll around, did someone say moldy gym shorts? Try the Disgusting Thing of the Month Club for yourself or as a gift. Join today.
It's disgust-delicious.
Welcome to our humble abode, the Addams family. Some might say they're the perfect neighbors. They're hospitable.
If you need anything else, just scream.
They're charming.
Yeah, we're Adams. If you got it, flaunt it.
And they throw the hippest parties.
Far out. Cool.
Right on.
Yes!
Why not drop in and meet them for yourself?
I can't wait.
The new Addams family. Weekday afternoons only on Fox Kids.
Will Emily be able to control her true feelings?
You deserve me.
On the next Student Bodies.
Today at 1:30 on Fox 11.